Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Editing Mindset. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to perform a clean install of Windows 11 without using a USB drive. Now, a clean install means completely wiping and formatting the C drive, which allows for a fresh installation of Windows. So, before you begin, make sure to back up any important files from your C drive to avoid losing them. Alright, let's get started. First, right-click on your E drive and select Shrink Volume. Allocate a minimum of 10 GB of space for the new partition. This is a safe amount for storing the Windows 11 installation files. You can see Unallocated Space. Right-click on the newly unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Simply keep clicking Next through the setup process. In the volume label name, change it to something like Windows 11 for easy identification during the Windows setup process. Then click Finish. Once completed, the new partition should now be visible in File Explorer. Open your web browser and search for the Windows 11 ISO download file. Click on the official Microsoft website and download the latest version. Since this is a large file, make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. In the command prompt, type disk part and press Enter. This will open the Disk Partition utility, which is used for managing disks and partitions. Type List Volume and press Enter. This command will display all the partitions of the disk partition. This command will display all the partitions of the disk partition. Next, identify the partition where you copied the Windows 11 installation files and note its assigned drive letter. Now locate the Windows 11 file you downloaded earlier. Right-click on the ISO and select Mount. Copy all the files and folders inside and navigate to the partition you created earlier. Paste all the copied files into the partition F. Once that's done, you're all set to move on to the next steps of the clean Windows 11 installation. Using Command Prompt, you will launch the Windows 11 setup file directly from the Windows installer partition we created. First, format and delete all system partitions associated with the previous operating. Windows will now begin the installation process, configuring settings and installing necessary drivers. This may take some time and will include several automatic restarts. You'll be prompted to select your region, language, and keyboard layout, connect to Wi-Fi, create a user account, and configure other initial settings. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Windows 11 setup process. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and that it made the process easier for you. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below.